folks, choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. We're gonna check the next big unexpected changes coming for you. Okay, the next blessing or change or transformation. What is it gonna be? Let's see. Choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like you're drawn to two piles, then check the other one as well because you might have a hidden message. Yes, and we gonna check the cards and also angel numbers and also some charms. Okay, so yeah, you can pause the video and choose a pile or two or three, but three. Okay, fine, whatever, whichever calls out to you. Uh, Pause the video, and I have given the timestamps in the description column, so you can proceed then. Hey people, if you chose this beautiful Mose Agate as in the pile one, guys, okay, so this is a really good one. There are chances in the future you might have a change in lifestyle or diet plans or anything. However, this might resonate to some, but there is a change in lifestyle. Okay, I am seeing that. And or dietary changes, like maybe you want to become vegan or anything, but there are chances in the future if you are trying to do something with your health, it's gonna improve. Somewhere some people will have really good immune system in the future. Okay, so yeah, take what resonates. And yes, I also feel like in the future there are chances you might travel or you have been thinking about traveling somewhere. So your guides are like, yeah, go fly and have some fun and enjoy. So it's a yes if you are thinking about traveling somewhere. Okay, or even if you want to go to your friend's house or anywhere, if you feel like your guides, your spirit team is like, yeah, go have fun. And if there are no plans or nothing, your spirit team is guiding you to travel more often or take care of your health or just have fun. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Now we'll check what are the unexpected changes which are coming in your way. So at first I have got the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, a new opportunity, a new beginning, someone coming to you with an offer, a financial offer, it might be that. And the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, there are chances you might be in a stuck position, or you might be feeling like nothing is happening, or your income is draining, or your reserves are draining and everything is going down, stuff like that. And take what resonates. If you are into stock market or something, wherever you have invested, you might be feeling like, why is it stuck or in a stagnant position, or why is it going low? Okay, why is it diminishing? So this is what I'm getting. And however, your guides are telling you in the future there are chances it's going to be really up and up. So the arrow is going up, everything is going to be amazing. The Wheel of Fortune, it's turning, the cycle is turning. The unexpected things will happen in the future. Okay, and yeah, I feel like somewhere some people who are watching this video, somewhere you will be very pathless right now, like you don't know what your journey contains or holds, and you feel like, what should I do and what should I not. There are chances something big or offer or some opportunity is going to come towards you. And yeah, that is the reason I've got the Wheel of Fortune next to the Ace of Pentacles. So the cycle is going to change, guys. Good things are going to come. This is amazing. Okay, and then I have got, wait a minute. Yes, I'm sorry. So the next card that I've got, or you have pulled, is Seven of Pentacles. You are drawn to Seven of Pentacles. There are chances you're gonna harvest really good stuff, guys. There's a financial gain coming in, and I feel like in the future there will be a lot of work which is gonna happen. A lot of efforts. I can see the vision. You all are working really hard to get what you want, and there is some offer which is going to come, and somewhere you'll feel interested, somewhere you'll feel like, yes, I want to do this more, and yeah, I want to do it, and you'll be passionate about it. Okay, guys, This might even be a life purpose, I feel. If there is anything which is coming in your mind to do, or any ideas or plans, your guides are telling you to act upon your ideas and plans, because this is going to bring a lot of money, guys. Okay, a big fat check is written in your future. I can see the vision. So act upon your ideas or plans, whichever you're thinking about. So, yeah, you're gonna harvest. Okay. And the next I've got is Nine of Pentacles. So again, the money card. A lot of money is coming in your future, guys. A lot of pentacles, a lot of financial gains, a lot of new opportunities, a lot of like new. Everything is gonna be really new. Your lifestyle is changing, the way you earn, or like if you are in a confusing part right now, somewhere, if you're confused, like what will happen with me in the future, is everything gonna be all right, should I do this or not? So your guides are like, everything is gonna be amazing in the future. And you know what, I feel like maybe before November, or I feel like maybe before December, something great is coming in your way. Some big opportunity or some big offer which is only gonna help you to grow more and more. Okay, as I'm seeing Nine of Pentacles, I feel like you'll be very, very happy, genuinely happy, even working hard and, earning really good. And I feel like, I also feel there is some advice coming here that take control of your expenses, guys. Once you start earning, make sure you save it. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. And also, yeah, a lot of good opportunities, a lot of nice stuff is gonna happen, and I'm so happy for you, because right now you are really in a stagnant position. You are really overthinking about what will happen and what should I do. And I feel like your guides want to, your spirit guides, your spirit team wants to tell you, just relax, you know uh, do not worry, we are with you. And do not doubt your capabilities and your skills. You are really worth everything. If you are, guys, take what resonates. But I feel like most of the people who are watching this video, somewhere, some people, okay, most of the people, but somewhere you guys are questioning your worth, somewhere you guys are questioning your future, somewhere you guys are questioning your own value. Okay, like, do you even deserve this or that? And some people, I feel like, just now have started some journey, or some new beginnings have already come. And like some movement has happened, but somewhere you're still, thinking, how will it go, will it be fruitful or not, or will it be successful or not? Should I, have I done the right thing, is this the right choice for me, should I do more? And your spirit team is like, yeah, do it, come on, you're doing great, whatever path you have chosen or you have ideas on, come on, grab it. It's gonna be really amazing. Your future is gonna be amazing, guys, a lot. And then yeah, I pulled out some cards from Moonology deck also. And we have got this no, we'll go with the Moonology later. I have drawn this card, okay, from the Wisdom Oracle deck. And I've got the happy look. Okay, as I'm seeing this card, I feel like a rebirth is happening. Somewhere you'll be really happy and genuine. Look at the card, guys. Look at the card. Rainbows and new beginnings after rain. It's like that. You might be sad now, and some blessings are coming in your way. Okay, look at the face here on the egg, or inside the egg, over the egg, or whatever. It's just, it makes me feel like somewhere something is really waiting for you. Somewhere something that you are planning to birth into existence, or act into existence. Your guides are like, come on, just do it, just start it, because that holds a lot of blessings and money which is gonna come in your way. So just do it, guys. If you have a career choice that you feel like doing it, but somewhere you are stuck, or somewhere you feel like, what if it doesn't work that way, and I am in some other path, and why am I attracted towards the other creative side? Okay, it might be that. And Your guides are like, come on, just do it. And if your people are already in a path right now and you are really working hard, there is a chances it's going to be fruitful, it's going to be successful, you are going to be this and that or whatever you're planning to be. And you're going to manifest a lot, guys, and make sure your thoughts are positive to manifest it. Okay. Do not let the doubts come in. Do not let the negativity come in. Okay, so your guides want to assure you this, that really good stuff is happening. Your angels, your god, your spirit team is really preparing for you, preparing you for that. And somewhere they have listened to your ideas and your thoughts, and they are working on your future, guys. That future already exists, you just have to walk onto that. Some really big things I can vision. I can see the vision, like literally you're gonna rock in this world. This is amazing. Okay, and then I have pulled this you were drawn to two cards from the Osho Zen Tarot. First, we have got the letting go card, and as I see letting go, I can also see the number 8 here, which also signifies infinity, that is abundance. So if you're doing something which is not serving you the passion or the purpose in your life, your guides are like, just let that shit go if you think it's not for you. But if you have some plans to do this or that in the future, just make sure you take that opportunity, because it's really going to be amazing. Let that shit go if it doesn't serve you, that fun. Okay, if it's not entertaining you. But if it is, and if look, I'm getting two messages here. Some people are in a position who want to give up their career path right now and want to choose another one which they have in their mind. So your guides are like, choose the other one which you have in your mind, let that shit go. And people who are already in some kind of really great journey, and or just now have started some new beginning or new business or new path or anything, your guides are like, let that negativity go. Don't think the opposite stuff, because don't think that what if it doesn't work out. Do not think that, because it will surely work out. Let that shit negativity and stuff go. Okay, fuck that shit, bro, because I feel a lot of good things coming your way. Okay, yeah. I also feel like some guys are also being lazy on your ideas and your plans. Even if you have started your journey or your path or new business or new venture or anything, somewhere you guys are, being lazy a little. Okay, focus, guys. Concentrate and focus. Wait a minute. Yeah, so focus on good things, focus on prosperity, focus on a lot of good things. Focus on manifesting, law of attraction, guys. Take that shit. And we have got the postponement. Yeah, so this card speaks, yeah. I told there's a bigger picture coming in, but because you are postponing it or procrastinating it, that I'll do it later. What if it doesn't work? Maybe I'll start XYZ date or 123 date or whatever. Maybe I'll start next year or anything. Do not do that shit. Just start it right away, because it is happening. Okay, it is gonna be fruitful. It is gonna be amazing as I'm envisioning your future. It is worth it, guys. Take the risk. I am, if I pull out a card again, I feel like you'll get the Fool card, not because you're fool, because I feel like you have to take some risks. Some people might resonate with this as it's a general collective reading, and as I'm shooting this video, I could see 1001, and I feel like the Fool card would come in and ask you to be adventurous, take the risk, do not be lazy, just go for it. Okay, do not have second thoughts, guys. Do not assume shit over your business or your path or anything. Just go for it. Just manifest it, because it is working in your favor. It is already destined for you. Only if you make sure you act upon your ideas and plans, act upon your thoughts. Okay, so the universe is with you. Now let's see. I have you were drawn to two cards from the Moonology deck, and I've got the you are very close to achieving your goal. See, oh my god, this is amazing. A lot of good stuff coming in your way. So, yeah, you are close to achieving your goal, and a lot of good stuff is happening. New opportunities, new venture, new everything, new lifestyle, a lot of money coming in, money, 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 and a lot of good stuff is happening. You'll be really happy and passionate, okay? And the next I have got is confidence is your key to success. As I told you to take risk, as I told you, you know, to speak up, guys. To speak up if you do not feel like speak up if you are stuck in a path which you don't want to take it, or you don't want to cherish it. If you want to give up, just do it because you have other plans in your mind. Do it. Make sure you stand up for yourself. Okay, confidence is the key to success. Okay, yeah, yes, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so these are your cards. This was your message. Pile one. We'll do one thing. We just keep this here, and it looks good, right? Okay, I'm sorry. We'll just keep this here. Happy, happy. Yes, you'll be really happy. And yeah, we'll pull out some charms for you guys. Let's see what are the charms that you're gonna get. And yes, these are some charms, and we'll see what is the okay. Spirit team of pile one, tell me what is the unexpected change of blessings. Or what do you want to say them right now? What will happen? Okay. So we have got the mushroom, we have got the tree. Now this mushroom and the tree resonate together, like it goes hand by hand, because mushroom actually means a rapid growth. A rapid growth in your life gonna bring a lot of blessings, money, everything all together. Okay, so yes, we have got the mushroom. It's visible, right? Yeah, we have got the mushroom, and then we have got the tree here. So tree also means growth, but also I feel like somewhere your angels or your spirit team wants to guide you that even if you reach heights, make sure you stay grounded, guys. Okay, do not fly high. I mean fly high, but yeah, you're getting my point. Just be grounded. And I got this 3 moon charms. Okay, it feels like somewhere some people have a lot of mood swings. Okay, this might resonate with some and not resonate with some people might have some mood swings going on in their life, and you know do not let your mood swings affect your other you know your thoughts or your destiny, or getting my point. Do not let that affect your future. Do not let that affect your path. If it's professional path, career, business, or whatever, do not let that shit affect. Okay, and as I'm seeing this moon, star, and you are divinely guided and divinely protected. Everything is written in your favor. Everything is destined, and good things are coming your way. Just make sure that you do not doubt your worth or your value, because a lot of good things are coming in. Okay, so these were your charms. So yes, as I promised, let's check the angel numbers. Okay, so we're gonna see or check the angel numbers, and let me close my eyes and pile one spirit team guide me with your angel numbers. Okay, 8 and 3. I've got the 8 and 3 here. This is 8, and yeah, obviously you know, right? Okay, so 8 and 3. 8, as I said before, you have got the letting go card. It's 8 here, and it speaks abundance. It's infinity. As I said before, you have got 8 and a lot of good things, blessings. Okay, I'm repeating the same shit because it is gonna happen, guys. Believe me. Oh my god, I'm saying this again. I can see the vision. Everything is gonna be amazing. Ah, live your life, guys. Somewhere you guys are comparing. I feel you people are comparing your life. Okay, take what resonates. It might mean to some and it might not mean to some people. And I feel like somewhere you guys are comparing your path or something to others or their lifestyle or something. Do not compare, guys, because everyone has a different destiny and everyone is have their own karmas, their deaths and everything. But what can I say? Your future is going to be great. And I'm seeing this tree here. As I said before, do not let your mind manipulate you into thinking that what if it doesn't work out? What if? Just take that what if, guys, and make sure you align your mind, body, and spirit together. Mind as in think positive, spirit as in it is your soul purpose, it is your life purpose, and body act upon your ideas and plans, guys. So 333 or 3 means mind aligning with your mind, body, and spirit. So make sure you manifest it. Okay. So this is what your message or guidance was, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Comment if you liked it or not, because I am really proud of you guys, to be honest, and you really deserve this. You surely deserve this blessings. You really deserve this shit, guys. Own it, and it's gonna be great. Please share, comment, subscribe, and like it. And yeah, thank you. Hey folks, those who chose pile 2, you have chosen the green fluorite, and I get the message. I feel like there's a lot of healing which will happen, some kind of awareness, some kind of trauma which you'll heal, or somewhere you will move on, or something you'll just walk away from people who are gonna disrespect you. I feel like a lot of heart chakra, throat chakra, and the Manipura, that is your solar plexus chakra, is gonna be activated. And a lot of walking away, a lot of owning your power, a lot of celebrations, joy, healing, divine timing. I feel a lot of healing is happening, guys, because this green fluorite is mostly you're gonna connect with nature is nothing but everything is one, right? We are nature as well. We are spirit is also nature. So somewhere you're gonna be connected to your own soul, connect to your own spirit. And as I'm seeing this green fluoride, I feel like you'll heal. Or maybe you'll just walk away from something which won't serve you. Okay, so this is what green fluoride is about. So yes. So let's see what your cards, which cards were you drawn to. And first I pulled out the Egyptian deck, and you got the Four of Wands. Four of Wands, I feel there is some union happening. If you are having some crush, or if you are in a separation, or somewhere some connection that might happen. Take what resonates is a general reading. Some romantic beginning is happening, some union energy. I'm getting some celebration. Some people might celebrate, or travel, or go with their family, or there is some ceremony happening. Some might, I also feel some might will have a baby in their family. Okay, not you, someone in your family might have a baby. And some, I could see the vision. Take what resonates, guys. Yeah, if someone is not pregnant in your family, they wouldn't have a baby, obviously, but some, as I'm seeing, some people are watching, and I feel like, yeah, baby is gonna come, some fertility I'm seeing. And Four of Wands, I feel like some celebration, some union, some stability, some family get together, something will happen, or hanging out. So yes, and some good news is gonna come, and this will be unexpected. And then we have got the Emperor card. So right now you don't have control over your life, or you might have, but somewhere you are not into the authority to choose your own shit, or somewhere some people are overpowering you or controlling your life through their decision. You are not given the option of doing what you want. take what resonates, doing what you want, because somewhere or the other people manipulate you into thinking that no, you should go for this. But I feel like in the future what is going to come is some kind of authority, power, some kind of control is going to come, some responsibilities are coming in your life. And yeah, take what resonates, guys. It's a general reading and I'm saying this again and again. Okay, so it's raining here, so I feel like some might be sad. Some people who are watching this video, I feel like some people were sad, or some people are sad now because someone betrayed you, I guess. Maybe take what resonates. Someone betrayed you, or someone just walked away, or someone, left you, or someone are or some of you guys are missing some individual. Okay, I'm getting this. And take what resonates. And I'm also seeing long distance here, craving for someone. A lot of mood swings are happening. Um okay, and okay, own your power, guys. I feel like you should heal your throat chakra, and you should speak up if you want to, speak up when you want to, speak up for what you want. Take what resonates. Okay, this is gonna happen, and in the future there is some responsibility or some authority which will be given to you, so make sure you take it in a good way. And yeah, the next card is what we got was Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is like ending something. Something ended abruptly, or someone betrayed you, or something happened that is making you to heal. Somewhere that trauma is keeping you inside, but unexpected thing which will happen is, as I said, a new romantic partner will come, or some kind of healing will happen. And or it might also be a new career path, a new opportunity which will come to you, and that old shit is gonna die. As I'm seeing the Ten of Swords here, some clarity also you'll gain. And I feel like you people are really clever. You all are really smart, wise, clever, understanding. Okay, but somewhere you guys are scared of something, scared, or something which you don't know about. Some things you are questioning, but it is unknown for you. I'm getting this vibe. This card doesn't speak of that, but I feel as you people are watching this video, some might resonate with this, that some people have a lot of questions they need answers to. And okay, and I feel there is a stage of enlightenment, awareness, wisdom. Okay, which will happen unexpectedly. You'll heal all your traumas, your chakras will align somewhere, some separation will move, union energy I'm getting. Or you might be separated from your soul as of now. A lot of negativity is surrounding you. You might to you might want to declutter your area from all the negative energies. Guys, even if it's just your room, clean your room, clean your wardrobe, clean something, do something, make yourself tidy, treat yourself with love. And okay, this is what I'm getting. And I feel you'll be happy, some unexpected happiness, because I don't know, I'm feeling warm all of a sudden. Or somewhere as I'm speaking those words, someone watching this video is, feeling like giving me some warm energy, feeling like maybe you would be in tears, or you might be feeling like I am home to you guys. Okay, this vibe I'm getting somewhere. You're giving me pure love energy. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I'm feeling so warm, and it also makes me feel, as I'm feeling warm, some good stuff is gonna happen. Okay, as it's raining here, and somewhere the sun also came out in between, and it feels like in the midst of this chaosness, you'll find the peace, you'll heal. Okay, I feel that. And you've got the fluoride crystal, right? It mainly speaks about healing your chakras, or connecting with your nature, connecting with your spirit. Okay, and this is so beautiful. And the next card you were drawn to was Six of Wands. Six of Wands is also victory card, guys. This is literally a victory card, and you're gonna move on really amazingly. You'll be so happy. Like a lot of success seeing a lot of energy I'm seeing right now. You'll be drained or sad or bored or exhausted, but somewhere, or a lot of mood swings here, guys. And I feel like somewhere you guys will be happy. You will be happy and good things will happen, and it's gonna be great. You will be okay. Right now, in this current energy, as I'm feeling, you are not at peace with yourself. Somewhere your mind is talking a lot. You need to meditate. You need to still your mind, focus on peace. And somewhere I feel unexpected future, unexpected changes, you'll heal a lot. A lot of blessings, healings, intuition I am seeing strongly. A lot of channeled messages from your spirit team is gonna come over you. Okay, some good news is gonna come, and you'll be very genuinely happy. You'll gain all your answers to your questions. Okay, this is what I was getting. And then the next card you were drawn to was from the Wisdom Oracle deck was TikTok. TikTok. That doesn't mean you have to make a video on TikTok to gain success. No one, no guys. Okay, my humor level has dropped down to 0 now. Okay, so TikTok. Okay, this happened right now with me. Some of you guys wouldn't have really great humor, I feel. Okay, do not get offended, guys. It was just a vibe. Take what resonates. And as I'm seeing this TikTok card, I feel like right now it's not your time, but some way, some good timing is gonna come. Okay, some good blessings are gonna come. The time is gonna change. Okay. Time is gonna change, and I'm seeing divine timing is at its play right now. Somewhere you're not getting questions, I mean getting answers for your questions. You might be having a lot of questions as of now, and the guides are like, you have to be patient. Yes, as I'm seeing this TikTok card, I feel like you are so much in a hurry, restless, impatient, not grounded. Somewhere you are lacking for clarity, and you need it right away. But unexpected blessings and good times and clarity and answers will come upon you to heal you. Okay, so this might not be the correct time for healing, but or you are in the process of healing some wounds or the other, some trauma or the other. But a lot of healing energy I'm seeing, guys. Maybe in the past you have been through a lot of shit. Okay, not only past. I feel like somewhere in your past life also you had a lot of traumas that you. Yeah, I'm sorry. You had to go through all that shit, but it's karmic debts. Okay, so no one is gonna run away from time. Time is the only god, Han. Okay, but time is also an illusion. I also feel stay in the present moment. Do not worry about the future. Okay, this just came up. Some people who are watching this video, somewhere you guys are worrying about your future, and your spirit team nudged me to tell this, that live in the present moment, live in the present time, make some memories, enjoy yourself, hang out with your friends, go out, have fun, and make memories. So yeah, do not worry about your future. Everything is going to be amazing. Okay, a lot of blessings coming in, and I also feel, wait a minute, I also feel like if you have just now recently started some new venture, I feel like it's gonna be bang on successful. Okay, just give it some time, be patient, everything comes, you know, stay patient, guys. You do not, I feel like some people are, take what resonates, as it's a general reading. Some people might be jumping. Do not jump, okay? You need to be successful level by level. You can't, skip those steps of achievement, guys. Every step has its own lessons, has its own moral values, has its own you know joy and uh, adventure. Make sure you go through every lesson, okay, every step, because you learn something. So do not be hasty. Just now you have started, do not expect everything should happen now and now. It is gonna take a while, it is gonna take some time. So stay patient. Patience is the highlight word for every individual here watching this video. Not only some, I feel like every individual should look out for patience, guys. Okay, stay grounded and be patient. And the next card, okay, you guys, you have pulled three cards from the Osho Zen. So yes, I told you before, it's success. Okay, success is coming. Unexpected blessing, unexpected success is coming in your way. Congratulations. I congratulated you first, so tell me thank you. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. I am being weird. Okay, so I feel like a lot of success will happen. As I said, stay patient. Success is already written in your destiny. It is gonna come unexpectedly when you wouldn't even imagine about it. Okay. I also feel some people who are watching this video gain confidence, guys. Some of you guys are not confident enough about something in your life, in any aspect of your life. If it's your relationship, if it's your self-worth, if it's your business or career or anything, if you're not feeling confident about it, your guides are nudging me to tell you this: stay confident, because I've got the Emperor here, and it mostly speaks about, it mostly speaks about staying in your power, controlling. And right under this, I have placed the Success card, and it has Tiger. And I feel like, yeah, confidence is the key. Stay in your power. Because as I'm seeing this tiger, I could imagine the tiger eye crystal over there near the red box. Wait, I'll just. Sorry. This tiger eye crystal here. Okay, somewhere I feel like, yeah, you need to stay in your power. You need strength, and you have it. You are really strong. Okay, do not feel like you are not. And then the next card is the dream. You have some dreams, okay, to fulfill. This is number 6, and this is also number 6. Balancing is needed. Okay, so as I was saying, wait a minute, yeah. As I was saying, the dream, many people have some dreams regarding your career, or somewhere you're imagining about your future, thinking or worrying about your future. Okay, I'm getting two messages here from this card. Take what resonates, guys. Some people are in separation from a person from a long time, and you are fantasizing or dreaming about them, and you are longing for that connection to happen, and it will happen in a very unexpected ways. Okay, if it's a spiritual connection, if it's a karmic connection, I don't see this happening. It's just a dream, so do not think about it. So, but if it's a spiritual connection, I feel like yes, it is gonna happen. Okay, and the other message, that was the initial message, and the other message that I'm getting is you are dreaming about your future, as in you want. It could be a minor thing also, guys. It might be some plans or some ideas you have, that you must earn monthly this or that, you have to renovate your room in this or that way. Dreams can be anything. It can be a major dream or minor dream, like anything, small dream, or you're getting my point. Yes, so the dream is gonna be successful. The dream will happen. Some of you guys are planning to buy a house, that will happen. Some of you guys are planning to. Some of you guys are holding on to past also, as I'm seeing this card. I'm getting this vibe, guys. Do not hold on to the past. Instead, that trauma is that past is triggering you somewhere and you need to heal that trauma. Okay. mm, do not hold on to your past. Okay, so live in the present moment. As I said, I've got the TikTok here, and worrying about the future, I said. And over here I'm getting your some people are holding on to your past as well. So do not hold on to your past, guys. And a lot of good things are happening. Focus in the now moment, in the present moment. Stay happy because success is already in your cards. Okay, do not look into things that you do not have. Do not look into thing which is not serving your purpose of life. Okay, which is not serving you love. If okay, a lot of negative vibes or negative energy you're surrounded to, it's okay. Everything is gonna be great. So yeah, the next card is this card actually popped out. It just happened to come out. I actually pulled only two cards of Osho Zen from every pile for every pile, but you had this, as I said before, healing is going on somewhere. You'll go to the awakening process. A lot of chakra and aligning in a union energy, spiritual energy I am feeling here, but a lot of negativity is taking over you guys, and you need to make sure you do not control you do not let your mind control you, but you must, be one with your mind, spirit and body. Okay, so healing is happening, a lot of healing will happen. And the next I pulled out from the Moonology deck, and I got be bold and make the first move. Okay, so this might resonate with someone. If you're thinking about proposing someone, if you're thinking about contacting someone, if you're thinking about starting some new venture, if you're thinking about should I hang out with XYZ or not, even if it's a small thing, I feel like do not, overthink about it. Just make memories, guys. No regrets, only memories. Just be bold and make the first move. Okay. And the next thing, the next card that you were drawn to from the Moonology deck was a time for healing. A lot of healing is happening here. So, unexpected resolving of traumas, union energy, one with the spirit, awakening, enlightenment, wisdom. Huh. Wow. A lot of answers or clarity you'll gain. Okay, but you need to stay patient. Okay. So, these were your cards, and we'll check the charms that you get. I'll pull some charms for you. Okay, let's see what to get. Let me close my eyes and file to what is the spirit team want to tell you, file to. Okay, you've got a lot of stuff. Okay, so wait, I'll skip this here. And you have got, I see you've got the key. I told you a lot of guys are, asking for answers. And somewhere you need clarity about stuff, what happened, or stuff you have a lot of question about, and you'll get the answers. Stay patient. And then the next you have got the sunflower here. A lot of happiness, warm energy. Everything is gonna work in your favor. Okay. And the next we have got the dancing bear. So you need to be courageous. You need to move. If you are being lazy, movement is needed. Take what resonates. And as I'm seeing this bed, I'm feeling like you should be happy and joyful, living in the present moment. Okay, the next I've got is the lion. Lion, I'm sorry for the background. Okay. Lion. So it is again asking you to be courageous, powerful, as you've got the emperor here, and as I said, confidence is needed for tiger. And you got the lion again. So stand up for yourself, own your power, own your wisdom, own your knowledge, own your capabilities, own your skills, guys. Do not let any other individual drag you down. Okay. Mm, okay, we have got the mushroom in pile 2 as well, because pile 1 also got. Okay, pile 1 also got the mushroom card, and mushroom mostly, talks about rapid movement or rapid growth, and money and abundance and healing. Okay, so this is amazing, and we've got the queen here. Okay, you can see it. Uh, got the queen. Can you see queen here? So yes, you will be the queen. Everything will be amazing. I'm so happy for you guys because this is the best pile. It's not only making you successful and happy, it is making you, heal your traumas. Being one with the universe, you're gonna align with your spirit team, and you'll get a lot of intuition, a lot of chakras are opening, and I'm really proud. A lot of traumas you have faced, and I'm sorry for what happened, but it was all your karmic debts together. Might be your past life, this life, any life. So I'm happy this actually ended. Your karmic cycle is also closing, I feel. Okay. I feel like your karmic cycle will close this Libra season, as we are in this Libra season right now. Justice card, that is Libra season, and I feel like justice will be served. Your karmic cycle will be closed now, and a lot of blessings coming in, a lot of healing coming in. Okay. So pile 2, next we'll check is your angel number, and let's see what angel numbers you get. I'll close my eyes. Okay, we have got 8 and into. Wow, I'll pull another one. I feel like doing it. Because 3 here. Okay, 3. This is nice. 3 mostly speaks about mind, body, and spirit aligning all together. Pile 1 also got this, and I really wanted you guys to get 3 because you are in this spiritual, you are going in the spiritual journey, and it mostly speaks about being one with the universe, being one with your mind, body, and your soul, that is your spirit, and you are gonna connect to the nature or the spirit. As I said before, fluoride cream, fluoride crystal serves that purpose. And you have got the 8 here as well, and 8 is infinity, abundance coming in your way. And into is like multiplying, if you want to take it as an into or plus. Surplus is coming, good things are coming, good karma is coming. Bad karma ended, now good karma is coming. I also feel a lot of you guys should soak yourself in water, because I'm getting a lot of blue cards here. I feel like that. And fluoride, it is for healing, but it also asks you to connect to the water as well. So if you feel anxious, if you feel sad, depressed, or anything, make sure you have a long bath. It will help you. If you feel negative, do that. Okay, so yes, this was your reading of pile 2. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. and let me know if it resonated or not, and you can share it with your friends or family who needs guidance. I'm really happy for you, so thank you so much, guys. Hey, pile 3, if you have chosen this pile, you have got the Prenite green crystal. This Prenite green crystal, this mostly asks you to be vigilant, alert. You have a lot of vultures in your life, a lot of people who are envious of you, people who are really good to you on your face but behind your back, na. So they really have evil plans against you, and you're asked to be courageous. I feel like if some take what resonates, guys, but I feel like some people who are watching this video, they give up easily. It's not, it's more like, if you're doing something and some obstacle arises, you just get so scared and you just drop that plan or drop that idea. Take what resonates. I'm speaking to some people who are watching, and some people do not take risk, you know staying in the comfortable position rather than taking risk, I feel. But I also feel the time being, unexpectedly there are chances you might see some spirits in the future, unexpected. I don't know, these doesn't be like, you don't, I don't know, I'm not seeing any card, or this crystal doesn't hold that message as well. But I feel this vibe, in the future there are chances you're gonna see some spirits, or some inner voice. Your intuition is gonna be stronger day by day. I feel like unexpectedly, somewhere your intuition is gonna be stronger. Somewhere your third eye is in cleansing now, I feel. Okay, so let's start, guys. Yeah. Yes. So you were drawn to Nine of Wands from the Egyptian deck, and Nine of Wands also feels like giving up, or you are really sad where you at, but you are feeling like I mean, you are bored. You are not feeling that spark in position. It can be any aspect of your life. If it's your romantic life, career life, business life, or family life, or anything, you're just feeling so bored. There is no movement happening. There is no spark. Okay, so I'm seeing this. But you're comfortable in that position. So some of you guys are not giving up. Okay, I'm getting two messages here. As I told you, the initial message is like you're not feeling the spark and you're feeling so bored, but it's just your comfort zone, so you don't want to get out of that zone and take a risk. And the second message that I'm getting is, okay, there is something which is not serving you, there is something which is not making you feel happy or passionate about, so you are in the verge of giving up that. Okay, you want to take the risk, and your guides are like, go for it, guys, go for it. So the next card, I've got the Tower card. I see unexpected, a lot of actions gonna happen, a lot of karmic cycles are coming to end and closing it. And I feel like as I'm seeing the Tower here, I feel like a lot of here and there is gonna happen, a lot of I see, yeah, I see a lot of restlessness, I see a lot of actions happening, I see a lot of responsibilities here as well. I see a lot of wave coming in, a lot of stuff happening at once, and you are just not able to do it, like multitask it, and it's just Oh my god, a new change is coming, guys. I feel there is a big change. It's gonna change every aspect of your life. Every, not any aspect. As I'm saying this, I feel every individual will resonate with what I'm gonna speak, because this is gonna happen with every individual who is watching this particular pile 3 video. Because I feel there is some big changes gonna happen. It's not only one aspect, but it's also about your romantic life. Some people, some couples are gonna break up. Some, yeah, I mostly see the breakup card here. Do not get offended, I'm sorry. It might be a breakup, or it might be taking some space, or it might be, yeah, I do not feel. It might, I also feel a lot of reconciliation also happening. I feel, I don't know, I'm getting this vibe that some past person is gonna come in your life and reconciliation will happen, but present moment you'll break up with someone. Something, some vibe I'm getting. Or if you're single, someone is gonna come in your life, guys. Yay. So whatever. If it's yeah, eh, and if you are in a career path right now, you might feel like giving up. You might feel exhausted. You might feel tired, and you might feel like, what am I doing? I want to do something more. I want to do something which makes me happy. So this will happen. You're gonna change it. And if it's your business, I feel like I feel like boom bam. I'm seeing this boom bam vision here. Um, I feel like by November, no, something big is gonna happen. Some change is gonna happen in your business or career life. You might give up, or you might gain a big financial, like big fat check. I'm seeing big financial gain. Okay. So, or some new opportunities coming, some big thing. Oh my god. Some people who are planning to buy a house, you'll get it, and I feel like some old pattern or cycle of yours will, go away. Some old trauma of yours will go away. Somewhere you'll realize your worth. Somewhere you'll take risk. Somewhere you'll just give up on the feeling of just being in the comfort zone because you want more. This is gonna happen. As I'm seeing the Tower card here, right now I feel like a lot of overthinking, messed up mind, confusion is happening in your mind, and I feel it's all gonna come to an end. Okay, some good thing is gonna happen. You'll be enlightened with the truth, that which path you should choose. Okay, so yes. And then I've got the Chariot card. Movement is happening, action is happening, a lot of actions. I also feel like, as I'm seeing the Chariot, I feel like if you were, take what resonates, if you were holding on to something from your past, you might let go that and you'll move forward. If your relationship just now ended, there are chances you'll move on. I feel like, as I'm reading, this pile, I feel like some of you guys are really in a toxic relationship. Somewhere you feel like giving up, or somewhere they feel like giving up, or they are toxic for you, or somewhere they are not the one, guys. They are not the one. Someone else is there for you in your life. So there are chances you might. I am seeing a lot of breakups happening. I am sorry, please don't get offended. It's a general reading, it might not resonate with you, but I strongly feel Okay, so you can book a personal session if you want to see, but I feel a lot of abusive things are gonna walk out from your life. Okay, which do not serve you because the karmic lessons are ending and the guides only want good for you, so things will end. See, I got the judgment again. As I'm saying, the judgment, yes, the judgment day is near. Like the final thing is near. You'll decide. The decision day is near. You'll decide which serves you and which does not, and you'll walk away. Okay, so that's such a strong energy, and it's okay, it's okay to take a step even if it feels hard and if it's riskier, because it's only gonna be fruitful for you. Because somewhere right now you're tied up. I am seeing Eight of Swords, it's not here, but I feel like if I pull out a card, I'll get Eight of Swords or Ten of Swords. You'll be tied up. But unexpectedly, you'll release all those abusive things which are holding you back. It might be a romantic partner, career path, um, business, or anything. Hmm? And a lot of things are coming. A lot of good stuff is coming. But that shit, that toxic ass is pulling you down, making you feel negative, dragging you down, questioning your worth. You have been insecure about something, but you have a lot of power inside you, guys. So let that shit go. Fuck that shit, fuck that toxic ass, and move on, because I feel like your spirit team really want you to, you know, remember what you were. Somewhere you have lost the innocence as well. I feel like some of you guys, some of you people who are watching this pile 3 video, I feel like you have lost that touch to innocence, that fun, something like that, okay? And you're asked to feel warm, okay? So next I have pulled out card from the Wisdom Oracle, and we have got the Go the Distance. So yes, I told you before, even if the obstacle arises, do not be worried that do not be worried that it is risky. Instead, take the risk, go the distance, because the other side of the grass is greener, guys. You feel like you should stick on to something, or you feel like at least give another chance. Okay, but I feel you should move on from stuff which is holding you back. Okay, and oh my god, unexpected change which is coming your way is power, action, decision. That decision will not be yours. Instead, that decision will be the universe or your spirit team's decision, guys. Because the universe has been waiting for you from a longer time to make a decision, but you are not doing it because you are feeling so, uh, I mean, scared, or you do not want to take the risk about doing something, but the universe will make sure you do it. It will push you really hard. So do not resist the change which will, come in your life. Okay, so lot of actions, a lot of dhamaka, a lot of uh, things will happen, a lot of oh my god, revealing, a lot of truths will be revealed. Okay, and then I pulled out cards from the Osho and you got the intensity. Look how it's running, and look the go the distance card. Okay, and it just under the tower card, which is all fire, you're getting the intensity. So, unexpected intensity or action, you will go by, you will choose the other direction which you are residing right now in, and it will be so unexpected. It won't be you, it will be your soul or your spirit, it will be the universe, guiding you. And oh my god, I'll tell you one thing, guys. If you go against the universe, you are done. It's gonna be really hard to not ever go against the universe. Okay, because it's gonna be hard if you go against the universe. Just go with the flow, let shit happen. Okay, do not resist it, guys. And yeah, unexpected stuff will happen. Okay, so the next card you were drawn towards moment to moment. See? Okay, moment to moment. As I'm seeing this card, as I said earlier, somewhere you guys are resisting the change, and it just is making me feel that yeah, this is some kind of an advice. This is not which will happen, but this is somewhere a spirit team is nudging me to give you this advice as to follow this so that this happens. It's unexpectedly or expected, but you're not expecting this. But after hearing this, that this will be expected from your spirit guides. Like with the intensity or with the change or transformation that you'll go through, you'll go by, you're asked to embrace it. Okay, do not resist it. Do embrace each and every moment which will happen, each and every feelings you feel. Embrace it, do not resist it, guys. Okay, each and every moment that you'll go by, even if it's like a lot of intensity is happening, a lot of power and energy, a lot of all together, as in, even if you're just running, make sure in that every second while you're running or going the distance, make sure you enjoy it. Do not resist it. Moment to moment, embrace it, because there is some lesson or there is some trauma that you need to heal. Okay, so this is what the universe is. Not only a spirit team, I feel like the universe is coming strongly to guide you this over here. Okay. Right now you're in a messed up situation, like a lot. Okay. So I have pulled two cards from the monology deck, and you were drawn to show the world the real you. Yes. So the real you hasn't come out somewhere, and the universe is trying to push you to that way, because something is stopping you, some abusive thing is stopping you, and somewhere judgment will be passed and you will move out. So show the world the real you. You are capable of a million things. A lot of things. A universe resides inside you. Okay, so the next was a new start is coming. Yes. Everything will be new, guys. Unexpected, and every aspect of your life will be changed. But it will change for the betterment. Every aspect will be happy and successful. Okay. But before sun comes rain. So you'll go through all the rain thing, you'll go and you just To make this easier, make sure you be one with the universe. Write a letter to the universe that you are surrendering to the universe. You won't resist the universe. You won't resist the feelings you get. You won't manipulate. You won't let your mind manipulate into thinking or ignoring your feelings rather than embracing it. Okay. So, because the new start is coming. Okay. So, the third, yeah, sorry, you actually, I pulled out only two decks from the Moonology deck, but this card just popped out, and this is a win-win outcome is in forecast. As I said, every aspect of your life will be a win-win thing. Do not think like everything is going down and it's just going down, but every aspect will be amazing. Okay, so these were your cards, Paltry, and then we'll check your charms. What are the charms that you get? So, Paltry, I'll close my eyes and spirit team of Paltry, guide me. What do they need to know, or what is the blessing or unexpected change coming their way? Paltry. Okay, enough, I guess. Okay, what all did we get? Oh, okay, so, oh my god, this is tied up. Wow, you haven't been sleeping at night, huh? Not peaceful right now. Okay, we have got the key, I said, right? Some clarity or some answers will come to you. Something, You'll get a clue or hint from the universe to do act upon that. So, yes, you'll gain some clarity, you'll get some answers that you've been searching for, and not only you have been searching for, but I also feel like you are right now in a situation where you feel like you are closed, or you are caged in, or you are just, like nothing is happening the way you want. Like, it's just you are also not keeping an open mind somewhere, maybe, and a lot of you'll gain a lot of wisdom and answers, and consciousness and truth. Yes. Okay, you'll also get to know that why certain things are happening that way, and why should you, walk away, or why should you act in a particular way, like something like that. Yes. Sunflower, yes, happiness and joy. Elephant. Elephant is you have got the elephant here. It's like feel, be grounded, be steady. You are loved by every individual, and also I feel like if people who are watching this video are in some kind of a doubt that if a certain person loves them or not, it is a yes. Yes, I feel that. Yes, it's a yes. And as I'm seeing the elephant here, I feel like happiness is coming in. Again, I'm saying, like, be stable. You are right now in a very messed up situation, and your mind is unstable. So it's like, I don't know why, as I'm seeing this elephant card, I feel like make sure make sure your mind is stable and at peace. Okay. So yes, and then we have got the moon, stars, wolves, and okay, wait, card. Sorry, the charm. And I feel like as I'm seeing this, okay, you can see, right? Yeah. As I'm seeing this, I feel like a big change is gonna come for you. That is true, as the new start is coming, that's fine, but I also feel like somewhere you guys are gonna explore yourself more, and as I said earlier, intuition is gonna come stronger, and you will be divinely guided and protected. You'll communicate with the divine guides. I told you right just before, like there are chances you might even see some spirits or something, or it might be your ancestors or something. It will happen, guys. Something like some opening, eye opening or third eye opening stuff is gonna happen that will be very unexpected. And I feel like some of you guys have an illusion about certain people in your life, that there is a like the time is coming when the illusions will break. You are expecting and assuming that a certain person is good, okay, but somewhere they are abusive to you. Like not abusive as in physical or verbal abuse, but it's just somewhere they are stopping you. Somewhere there is no connection, and somewhere uh, what to say, somewhere that toxicity is coming which is pulling you down. It is not helping you to move forward. Okay, and I also feel love is blossoming in this pile. I don't know, maybe a new love is coming in your life, or some new one. I feel, as I told you, right, a breakup is happening, and it's just, or it might be a romantic partner, or it might be a new good friend, or it might be a good client, or advisor, or anyone. And I also feel like a new something new is gonna come in your life. Okay, and it might be anyone, anything. Okay, so as I see this card, yeah, this charm, yeah, you are divinely guided and protected. Make sure you make sure you're vigilant, make sure you're alert about all the things which are happening, because I feel like as this 1010 portal opened, like the 10th of October, between the 10th of October portal opening and 11th of November, that is 11/11, some big thing is gonna happen. It's like a lot of channeled messages you'll get through your intuition or third eye, because the portal has opened and the veil is thin, and somewhere a lot your spirit team might be able to contact you a lot, communicate you a lot, send you a lot of messages, through your dreams, or inner voice, or something unexpectedly you'll get some feelings or something to do, or something to, some messages you'll have. So make sure you are alert, okay, even in your dreams. Okay, there are chances some might, astral travel. Yeah, I feel like some people might astral travel while this, like this is gonna happen in between. And it's amazing. A lot of things are happening, a lot of change, a lot of unexpected change is happening, guys, for you. And yes, this is what I'm feeling from this charm. And the dragonfly mostly symbolizes transformation, growth, like budding in, I mean, like coming out, not like as you're coming out. And it is like you just coming out of that toxicity to something really, wise and enlightened state. Okay, some transformation. This dragonfly mostly speaks about transformation, guys. And as I've got the tower and the judgment here, like a big transformation is gonna happen, and with great intensity and movement. But you have to make sure, like each and every moment that you feel, just embrace it, and make sure you ask yourself, why am I feeling in certain way? Because you hold an answer over there. Your guides will guide you, they'll give you some channeled messages through your dreams or through your inner voice. So make sure, like, you pay attention, be alert. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. So pile 3, these were your charms, and let's see what are the numbers that you get. Okay, and what are the angel numbers that you get in? me close my eyes and what are the angel numbers that you get? We have 12. Okay, so I am shooting this video. It is 12th of October, and I also have a strong feeling that this is mostly maybe a spiritual connection. Take what resonates, guys. I feel like some of you guys who are watching have some spiritual connection, and that connection is gonna come in your life or already knocked your door, but you are having a hard time to accept it, you know. It's just your mind playing games and ego being like in the way, and a union I can see. And also seeing this 12, I feel like before December some major change. But I said right, like 11 November, your intuition, before 11 your intuition will be so strong and amazing. But I feel like some big thing is gonna happen during December, guys, for you. Some big thing. Okay. And let's see anything else. Any message from the angels? Okay, so we have got 9 here. 9 mostly says ending of a cycle. A cycle when it ends. And I have already told you a new start is coming, and some karmic cycle is ending now. Some closure you are getting, okay? Like the cycle, that toxic cycle is closing, and it's closing, guys. 9 is a closing cycle and a new start is coming. So I feel like as I have 9 here, it is that something is gonna be closed in your life, something is gonna end, and something which will be abrupt. Okay, some toxic thing is gonna come out of your life, and things will get better soon. Okay, so yeah. Mm. Anything else? That is it. So pile 3, this was your reading. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know if it resonated or not, as it's a general reading. But if you want to book a personal session, you could, you know, book a personal session. My social handles are down in the description below, and yes, you can contact me there for personalized tarot session. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, you know that. Yeah, thank you so much.